You are more than just a mere physical presence within this tangible world. You are composed of energy, existing in a universe where all things resonate as vibrating energy. Your capacity extends to both the emission and reception of these life forces. Central to your journey lies the challenge of comprehending how to navigate life as an energetic entity, and amidst a reality comprised entirely of vibrations. Each spoken word and every deed you undertake, from the simplest gestures like breathing, walking, and eating, to the intricate nuances of your sentiments and contemplations, demands the expenditure of energy. These emotions and thoughts, regardless of their positive or negative nature, carry distinct energetic frequencies that possess the potential to mold your encounters and influence the world that surrounds you. Mastering the realm of your vibrations opens a realm of boundless possibilities before you. Envision yourself as a transmitter of energy. Continuously, you emit signals that convey your essence to the cosmos. These signals function as either attractions or repulsions to other energetic entities, occurrences, and happenings. Should your energetic essence project anger and vexation, your tangible world will mirror these sentiments. Inevitably, you gravitate towards circumstances in harmony with your emotional state and identity. Emitting energies of prosperity and affluence, correspondingly manifest abundance and opulence within your existence. Conversely, disseminating negative or incongruent energies often leads to the avoidance of experiences. This ultimately fails to resonate with your prevailing state. Recognizing the law of attraction at play, it becomes evident that if you yearn for an altered reality, a shift in the energies you emit is a necessity. Put simply, altering circumstances or outcomes necessitates an adjustment in your thoughts, emotions, and overall energetic disposition to align with your desired experiences. Consciously steering the frequencies you emit permits the reshaping of patterns and encounters within your life's tapestry. You command a far greater potency than your previous understanding suggested. Proficiency in directing the vibrations of your envisioned existence can fundamentally revolutionize your perception of the world, aligning it with your coveted reality. Indeed, your thoughts are far from arbitrary mental processes. They carry within them energies and vibrations. Each thought ignites a distinct frequency of vibration within the neural network of your brain. This energetic commotion yields a formidable energy that gravitates towards and brings forth experiences in accordance with its nature. Effectively, the energies and vibrations emanating from your thoughts act as magnets, summoning and actualizing the essence of your focal points. Embracing this principle empowers you to deliberately steer your thoughts toward the outcomes you seek, harnessing their prowess to sculpt your lived actuality. Your thoughts stand as the fundamental building blocks of your existence. It's often said, watch your thoughts, they evolve into words. Watch your words, they develop into actions. Watch your actions, they cultivate habits. Watch your habits, they mold character. Observe your character, it forges your destiny. The thoughts you nurture germinate into your forthcoming reality. Mindfulness in allocating your energy is vital, for it pursues your focus. Ultimately, the direction of your energy is yours to decide. Freedom of choice is yours, and even the simple act of decision-making consumes energy. Echoing the words of Albert Einstein, everything is energy. In truth, even engaging with this content requires energy. The energy you emphasize intricately molds your perception of reality. In your possession lies the authority to shape and direct this energy, selecting where to concentrate and how to exploit its potential. Through this process, you aptly channel your energies toward ambitions and aspirations. It is imperative to recognize your capacity to govern your energy. During moments of despondency, redirecting your focus towards uplifting influences is well within your prerogative. You wield the ability to influence your energy by immersing yourself in the company of positive individuals, engaging in activities that ignite your joy, and enveloping yourself with empowering messages. Safeguarding your energy takes precedence. This involves erecting boundaries, steering clear of negative scenarios and relationships, and embracing self-nurturance. The cosmos converges favorably, drawing forth all that resonates harmoniously with your energy. Trusting and nurturing faith in the potency of energy can trigger profound metamorphoses within your existence. As you place reliance in energy, you acknowledge your intrinsic worthiness to both receive and bestow generously upon others. Begin to perceive life beyond the surface, recognizing the grander forces at play. Forge a connection with something expansive, an entity harboring infinite wisdom, comprehension, and love. Trusting in energy births extraordinary shifts within your well-being. Harmonious alignment of your energy transpires, engendering cellular revitalization and overall health enhancement. Shadows of despondency, bewilderment, and disillusionment give way to a tranquility, equilibrium, and weightlessness. Your energy finds clarity, purity, and a fluid course akin to a mountain stream. You welcome your own worthiness and entitlement, ushering unceasing joy into your existence. Wisdom intertwines with inner serenity, imbuing your essence, and lucidity permeates your cogitations. Such is the profound sway of energy. When trust is bestowed upon it, all falls into graceful arrangement. As faith in the universe blooms and trust in your own capabilities flourishes, your energy exudes both might and tranquility. Wisdom and calm unfurl from within. Thoughts metamorphose into convictions, and dreams commence their journey into your tangible reality. Trusting in your aspirations and actualizing them through real strides empowers you to effect momentous shifts in your life, actualizing your yearnings. Instill faith in yourself and the universe's guidance as it steers you toward your purpose, and you shall uncover your authentic mission in this realm. Seal your eyes and embrace a connection with your inner self, sensing the energy coursing through your being. Experience the warmth, resilience, and brilliance. You embody energy, bearing the capacity to shape your reality and realize your ambitions. You are capable, deserving, and cherished. In both yourself and the universe, place your belief and observe enchantment blossoming within your existence. To transmute your thoughts into convictions, cultivate the active practice of belief. By entrusting the universe to cater to your needs, acknowledging latent aspirations and desires, and embracing your entitlement to love and happiness, you forge deep-seated serenity and elation. Remember, you are not merely a droplet within the ocean. You are the entirety of the ocean encapsulated within a single drop. Permit your vibrations to reverberate throughout eternity, and may your journey unfold as an unending expedition of revelation, growth, and transformation. The universe eagerly anticipates your harmonious vibrations, poised to coalesce and co-create a reality that surpasses even your wildest imaginings. Consciously select and synchronize your thoughts, emotions, and convictions with the sought-after resonance. This act enables you to magnetize and manifest corresponding encounters into the fabric of your life, so you can go forth and live what is rightly yours.